Sunshine up, clouds so high, water's on the move. Wanna know why? Yeah. Sun shines down, giving heat, giving power. Tiny drops rise up from the lake, from the shower. That's evaporation, up levitation from oceans, rivers, puddles, basin. Leaves breathe out on a hot, bright day. That's transpiration, steam drifting away. All that water vapor floating in the sky, riding on the air as it lifts up high. Round and round the water goes, where it stops nobody knows. Sun gives energy, feel that glow, keeps the water cycle on the go. Evaporation, up we fly. Condensation in the sky. Precipitation, rain, hail, snow, and we're back again. Let's go, let's go. Hey, hey. Hey, hey. Way up high where the air gets cold, vapor sticks together, little drops take hold. That's condensation, cloud creation. Crowds of tiny droplets in a fluffy formation. Clouds get heavy, can't hold tight. Down comes water, day or night. That's precipitation, rain, hail, snow, falling from the clouds to the ground below. Some runs off down hills, down streets, rolling off, rushing on speedy feet. Some sinks in through soil and stone. Infiltration time, finding a home. Round and round the water goes, where it stops nobody knows. Sun gives energy, feel that glow, keeps the water cycle on the go. Evaporation, up we fly. Condensation in the sky. Precipitation, rain, hail, snow, and we're back again. Let's go, let's go. Into rivers and seas, this collection. Lakes and oceans, water connection. Sun heats up and the cycle starts over and over, never to stop. From plant to cloud, from cloud to ground, listen to the cycle spinning around. Every simple drop takes a trip each day, recycled water in a looping way. Round and round the water goes, where it stops nobody knows. Sun gives energy, feel that glow, keeps the water cycle